How to travel to South Africa for free. Welcome everyone to my channel. Traveling to South Africa for free may sound impossible, but with the right strategies, it can be done. Whether through volunteering, work exchanges, scholarships, or travel hacking, there are many ways to explore this beautiful country without spending a fortune. Below is a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to make it happen. Number 1. Volunteering in exchange for free accommodation and meals. One of the best ways to travel to South Africa for free or very cheaply is by volunteering. Many organizations offer free accommodation and meals in exchange for your skills and time. Workaway? Workaway is a platform that connects travelers with hosts who need help with various projects. In South Africa, you can find opportunities such as farm work, organic farming, animal care, hostel work, reception, cleaning, social media management, teaching English in schools or community centers, wildlife conservation, working with elephants, lions, or marine life. How it works: sign up for a Workaway membership, $49 per year. Browse hosts in South Africa and apply with a personalized message. Agree on the duration of stay and tasks. Get free accommodation, sometimes meals, in exchange for 4 to 5 hours of work per day. Be World Packers. Similar to Workaway, World Packers offers volunteer opportunities in exchange for free stays. Popular South Africa opportunities: surf camps help with guest activities in exchange for lodging. Eco-villages, sustainable living projects. Art and culture projects helping local artists or community events. How it works: pay for a membership, $49 per year. Apply to hosts with a strong profile, mention skills like photography, teaching, or social media. Stay for free while contributing a few hours daily. See wildlife conservation programs. If you love animals, many wildlife sanctuaries in South Africa accept volunteers. Some programs are free in exchange for work, while others may charge a small fee. Tip organizations: African Conservation Experience, wildlife research and rehab. Save Foundation, elephant and rhino conservation. Daktari Bush School, teaching kids about wildlife. Tip: some programs cover food and lodging if you commit to long-term stays, 1 to 3 months. Number 2. House sitting for free accommodation. House sitting is a fantastic way to stay in South Africa for free. Homeowners need someone to look after their house, pets, or garden while they're away. How to get started: sign up on house-sitting platforms. Trusted House Sisters, best for South Africa. Nomad or Minmi House. Create a strong profile, include past experience with pets or property care. Apply early. Popular destinations like Cape Town get many applicants. Stay for free in exchange for taking care of the home. Bonus: some homeowners may even leave you a car to use. Number 3. Travel hacking, flights and accommodation for free. If you're strategic with credit cards and loyalty programs, you can score free flights and hotels. Free flights with travel rewards. Sign up for airline credit cards, for example, Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture. Earn miles through sign-up bonuses and everyday spending. Book award flights to South Africa major airlines: Emirates, Qatar, Ethiopian Airlines. Example: a round-trip flight from the U.S. to South Africa can cost 8,010 miles. Sign-up bonuses often give 50,000 plus miles, so with smart spending, you can get a free flight. B. Free accommodation with points. Hotel loyalty programs: Marriott, Hilton, IHG offer free nights with points. Use credit card points to book stays, for example, American Express membership rewards. Number 4. Scholarships, grants, and sponsored travel. If you're a student, researcher, or content creator, you may qualify for free travel opportunities. Study abroad programs. Erasmus Plus for EU students. Fulbright scholarship for U.S. students. University exchanges check if your school has partnerships with South African universities. V. Sponsored travel for influencers and bloggers. If you have a social media following or blog, you can get free trips in exchange for promotion. How to do it: grow an engaged audience Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or a blog. Pitch to tourism boards, for example, South African tourism. Partner with hotels, tour companies, or airlines for comp stays. Number 5. Couchsurfing and hospitality exchanges. If you're looking to travel to South Africa for free or nearly free, couchsurfing and hospitality exchanges are among the best ways to eliminate accommodation costs while immersing yourself in local culture. This section will provide an in-depth breakdown of how to successfully use these platforms. Maximize your experience and ensure safety while staying with locals. What is couchsurfing? Couchsurfing is a global community of travelers and hosts who offer free accommodation, often a couch, spare room, or even just floor space to fellow explorers. The platform operates on mutual trust, cultural exchange, and the idea of paying it forward. Why couchsurf in South Africa? Free stays, no hotel or hostel costs. Local insights, hosts can show you hidden gems. Cultural exchange, share meals, stories, and experiences. Meet other travelers. Many hosts also host multiple surfers. B. How to use couchsurfing successfully in South Africa. Step 1. Create a strong profile. Your profile is your first impression. Make it appealing. Complete all sections: bio, interests, travel experiences. Upload high-quality photos smiling, travel-related. Get verified increases trust. Costs a small fee. Add personal references if you've hosted or surfed before. Step 2. Finding the right host. Use filters. Look for hosts with many positive reviews. Check response rates. Some hosts are inactive. Read references. Avoid hosts with negative feedback. Step 3. Sending a winning request. A generic "Hey, can I stay?" message will get ignored. Instead, personalize the request. Mention something from their profile. Be clear about dates. Don't say "sometime next month." Explain why you're traveling, backpacking, volunteering, etc. Offer something in return. Cook a meal, share skills, or bring a small gift. Step 4. Confirming your stay. Confirm details: arrival time, house rules, whether meals are included. Exchange contact info. WhatsApp is widely used in South Africa. Be respectful. Clean up after yourself. Follow house rules. C. Alternative hospitality exchange platforms. If couchsurfing doesn't work out, try these alternatives. 1. Buocom. Free platform, no paywall like couchsurfing. Smaller community but growing in South Africa. 2. Trust Routes. Focused on hitchhikers and backpackers. Requires an invite. Ask in travel forums. 3. Facebook groups. Search Couchsurfing South Africa or Travelers in Cape Town. Some hosts post open invitations. D. Safety tips for couchsurfing in South Africa. While most hosts are genuine, safety should always come first. Check references thoroughly. Avoid new profiles with no reviews. Have a backup plan. Know nearby hostels in case things don't work out. Meet in public first if you're unsure. Suggest a coffee meetup. Inform someone. Share your host's address with a friend. Trust your gut. If something feels off, leave. E. Cultural etiquette and how to be a great guest. South Africans are generally warm and hospitable, but being a respectful guest ensures a great experience. Bring a small gift: wine, chocolates, or something from your country. Help out. Offer to cook, clean, or contribute in some way. Be open-minded. South Africa is diverse. Learn about local cultures. Don't overstay. Stick to agreed-upon dates unless invited to stay longer. Number 6. Working holiday visa. How to live and travel in South Africa for free or cheap. If you're between 18 to 30 or 35 in some cases, a working holiday visa (WHV) allows you to legally work and travel in South Africa for up to 12 months. This is one of the best ways to fund your travels while exploring the country. What is a working holiday visa? A temporary visa that allows you to work while traveling. Designed for young people to experience life abroad. Jobs are usually casual hospitality, farming, teaching. Eligible countries: United Kingdom, Ireland, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Netherlands. Check the latest list on the South African Embassy website for your country. B. How to apply for a South African WHV. Step 1. Check eligibility. Age limit usually 18 to 30, some countries up to 35. Passport validity must have at least 6 months left. Proof of funds: some countries require $3,000 as financial proof. Step 2. Gather required documents. Passport copy valid for 6 months. Proof of funds: bank statement or savings. Return flight ticket or proof of sufficient funds to buy one. Health insurance covering your stay. Police clearance certificate: no criminal record. Visa application form from the South African Embassy. Step 3. Submit your application. Apply at the South African Embassy consulate in your home country. Processing time: 4 to 8 weeks. Fee varies by country. Step 4. Enter South Africa and find work. On Seaproved, book your flight. Use travel hacking for discounts. Find short-term work. See next section. See best jobs for WHV holders in South Africa. 1. Hospitality and tourism jobs. Hostels, bars, restaurants: Cape Town, Johannesburg, Durban. Tour guide safari companies, city tour. Ski resorts in winter, places like Tiffindal. 2. Farm work and volunteering. Fruit picking: Western Cape vineyards. Wildlife conservation sanctuaries, animal rehab. 3. Teaching and tutoring. English teaching, private lessons or language schools. Au pair work: live with a family, help with kids. 4. Freelancing and remote work. If you have skills: writing, graphic design, coding, work online while traveling. D. How to find work in South Africa on a WHV. 1. Online job boards. Indeed South Africa: www. Indeed.co.za. Gumtree jobs: www.gumtree.co.za/jobs. 2. Walk-in applications. Backpacker hostels often hire travelers for reception, cleaning. Restaurants and bars: tourist areas like Long Street in Cape Town. 3. Networking. Facebook groups, for example, Cape Town backpackers and jobs. Meet other WHV holders, they may know of openings. E. Pros and cons of a working holiday visa. Pros: earn money while traveling, fund your adventures. Longer stay up to 12 months. Cultural immersion: live like a local. Cons: limitados certain nationalities. Some jobs are low paying. Requires upfront savings for visa, flights. Final tips for a successful WHV experience. Arrive in peak season: summer equals more tourism jobs. Budget wisely: South Africa is affordable, but costs add up. Travel between jobs: use earnings to explore Kruger, Garden Route, etc. With a working holiday visa, you can live, work, and explore South Africa for a year while funding your travels. Tips for a free trip to South Africa. Combine methods, for example, volunteer plus travel hacking. Be flexible with dates to get the best deals. Network with locals for hidden opportunities. Document your journey could lead to sponsorships. With these strategies, you can explore Cape Town's beaches, Kruger's wildlife, and Johannesburg's culture reel for free.